Welcome to the Loop English Pod, where you learn the English people actually speak, not just the English in books. Today, two friends are trying to make weekend plans, and there's one phrase almost every English learner uses that immediately sounds like you're reading from a script. See if you can spot it. Let's listen.
Hey, you free this weekend?
This weekend? Yeah, I think so. Nothing going on Saturday. Why, what's up?
I don't know. I feel like doing something. We haven't hung out in forever.
Right? It's been like a month. What were you thinking?
I was maybe thinking we could grab food somewhere. Or we could do something outside if the weather's nice.
Oh, I'm down for either. What's the forecast looking like?
I haven't checked yet. Hold on.
No worries. Take your time.
Okay, it says partly cloudy, like 22 degrees. Not bad.
Oh, that's actually really nice. I'd be into doing something outside then.
Right? We haven't had a nice weekend like that in a while.
Honestly, I've just been stuck inside all week. I need to get out.
Same. There's that new park they just opened near the waterfront. I've been wanting to check it out.
Oh yeah, I heard about that. That could be fun.
Or we could do the farmer's market in the morning and then go from there.
Ooh, I like that idea. Kill two birds, you know?
Exactly. And they usually have really good food there, so we wouldn't even need to go out to eat after.
That works for me. What time does it start?
Now let's break down some key phrases, starting with today's textbook trap. Your textbook probably taught you to say, "Would you like to do something this weekend?" It's not wrong, but it sounds stiff, like you're asking someone to a business meeting. What you'll actually hear is "you free this weekend." Much more natural. Jake said, "What were you thinking?" You could also say, "What did you have in mind?" or "Any ideas?" Jake said, "I'm down for either." You could also say, "Either works for me," or "I'm up for both." And when Mia said, "I've been wanting to check it out," you could say, "I've been meaning to go," or "I've heard good things about it." Now let's listen to part 2.
I think it opens at 8, but it gets really busy by 10. So maybe we head over around 9?
9 on a Saturday? That's early.
I know. But trust me, it's worth it. Lines get crazy after 10.
Okay, fair enough. I can make 9 work.
Amazing. And after the market, we could walk over to the park. It's only like 15 minutes.
That sounds like a solid plan, actually.
And the waterfront area has those new food trucks too. Have you been?
No, but I keep seeing stuff about them. Apparently the taco one is amazing.
Yeah, I've heard that too. We should definitely check those out after the park.
Now I'm really looking forward to this.
Right? Low-key, no stress. Just a good morning out.
I could definitely go for that. Been a while since I've had a chill day.
Same, honestly. Things have been kind of hectic lately.
Tell me about it. So farmer's market at 9, then the park. Anything else?
I could go for lunch somewhere after if you're up for it. Nothing fancy, just wherever.
Yeah, let's play it by ear. See how hungry we are.
Perfect. Oh wait, should we ask Priya if she wants to come?
Oh, good call. She's been saying she wants to hang out more.
Yeah, I'll shoot her a message and see if she's around.
Here are more ways to express what you just heard. Jake said, "I can make 9 work." You could also say, "9's fine by me," or "I'll make it happen." Mia said, "I could go for lunch somewhere after." You could also say, "I wouldn't say no to lunch," or "We could grab something after." When Jake said, "Let's play it by ear," this means leaving something flexible, deciding as you go. You could also say, "We'll see how it goes," or "Let's keep it open." And Jake said, "Good call," which means good idea or that's smart. You could also say "great idea" or "nice thinking." Let's hear the final part.
Okay, Priya says she's in. She's actually really excited.
Nice. The more the merrier.
She said she might bring her cousin too. He's visiting from out of town.
Oh, that's cool. The more the merrier, right? As long as he's down for an early start.
Huh, she already warned him. He's apparently a morning person anyway.
Perfect. Okay, so we've got a crew now.
We do. Should we meet at the market entrance, or do you want to walk over together?
I'll probably just head straight there. The market's closer to my place anyway.
Oh, that's right, you moved to that side of town. How's the new place, by the way?
It's great, actually. Still getting settled, but I love the neighborhood.
Nice. We should do a housewarming at some point.
Huh. Yeah, once I finish unpacking. So, Saturday at the front gate?
Yeah. I'll text Priya and we'll all just meet at the front gate at 9.
Sounds good. Should I bring anything?
Just yourself. And maybe some cash. Some of the stalls are cash only.
Good thinking. I always forget that.
Same, honestly. I'll remind Priya too.
Okay, it's a plan then. Saturday at 9, farmer's market, then the park.
Can't wait. It's going to be such a good morning.
Yeah, I'm actually really looking forward to it. We needed this.
Totally. See you Saturday.
See you then.
Let's explore a few more useful alternatives. Jake said, the more the merrier. This is a common phrase meaning you're happy for more people to join. You could also say the more the better, or that's fine, everyone's welcome. Jake said, sounds good. You could also say works for me, that's perfect, or I'm happy with that. Jake said, it's a plan then. You could also say we are all set, done deal, or let's lock it in. And Mia said, can't wait. You could also say so excited, looking forward to it, or I'm pumped. Time for the loop. Let's practice some key phrases.
You free this weekend?
What were you thinking? I'm down for either.
I've been wanting to check it out.
I can make 9 work.
I could go for lunch somewhere after.
Let's play it by ear.
Good call.
The more the merrier.
Sounds good.
It's a plan then.
Can't wait.
I'm actually really looking forward to it.
See you then.
That's all for today's episode. Making plans in English is really about sounding relaxed and casual, and now you have the phrases to do exactly that. If this helped you, subscribe to the Loop English Pod so you never miss an episode. Here's a quick recap of everything we practiced today. Thanks for listening to the Loop English Pod. See you next time.